All right, we are at Overdrive for the February shootout. Should be a good time. Getting in my qualifying, and we're just gonna jump right into this race. Let's just qualify and see where we end up. So we're just jumping right into it. Qualifying groups were based on pro skill this time instead of random like last time. So everyone else is gonna be battling these gold carts, which is what we need for the advantage, but not a lot of people in this one, only 16 racers. Should make it interesting, but let's lock in. See what we can do for first round qualifying. See how 26 feels. Have a grand old time. Not a lot of league racers in this event either, so we'll see what this kart can do. Hopefully it's a fast one. Right off the bat, kart feels pretty good. Let's see if we can lock in. Oh, wow, I am so close to that barrier. Oh, man. Just gotta dig with this thing. Okay, I'm not even looking at the apex. That'd probably help my lap time. Oh my god! This kart is hard to handle. Okay, so maybe bouncing it off the wall might help me a little bit. Oh, I'm bobbed. I used boost and it bobbed down the kart. Woo. Woo. All right, well, how you feeling?
All right.
Yeah?
A little rough at the beginning, but
Track was definitely pretty cold. We'll take it though. The first qualifying's always the slowest. All right, well, we were P1 overall that race, which is good for my pro skill, but not the best lap time to go with it. Cold track, fastest guy here. We'll take it. We're definitely just gonna be racing in the A main tonight, it looks like. Unless I wanna throw this next qualifying super hard and race in the C main. We shall see. All right, well, not a bad qualifying. We got faster as the night went on, and I do feel pretty fast. So feeling good. Now we're gonna go into our second event, and I'm not gonna throw. I think we're gonna try and bring home the gold for this one. So one can hope. All right, on to the next race. All right, well, biggest competition is starting right behind me. Hoping that 39 is decent. We'll know on the outlap. Let's put this thing on pole, shall we? And then run away with it. All right, 39 feels like it does not turn left very well, which is not good because the sweeper's on the left and we need as much speed as possible. Just making sure the brakes work. No big deal. See what we can do here. 39. Be good to me. Put me on pole. I don't like this. We'll see though. It actually feels pretty good. We'll take it. The pedals actually feel like they're sliding up a little bit, but not so much that it's really gonna bother me, I think. Oh well, I'm gonna just hope and pray. Overcooked it there a little bit. Feeling fast though. Oh yeah, this thing's warming up nicely, but it does feel like it's a little low on power. Oh, I biffed that corner pretty bad. This might be the lap. Did that put me on pole? Yes, it did. Okay, I just need Josh to not improve. We might be able to take that. Let's go. Oh my God, by 3,000ths of a second. Wow. Holy cow, that was close. But that's P1 in both of the qualifying heats, which means that's P1 for the race. Oh, I'm pretty happy with that. This thing, oh yeah, it started. It worked really well. It was smooth on entry to the hairpin, which is what I needed for the qualifying. We'll take it. We will take it. And I'm sure Josh will be like, so close. But hey, Josh qualifying second after not coming to Overdrive for months, pretty impressive, not gonna lie. And he'll be my biggest competition in the race, so hopefully we get a kart that doesn't suck and race to a podium. That's the goal. We'll take it, we'll take it.
John, you beat Josh the last lap.
3,000ths of a second.
Yeah, Josh looked a little sad.
3,000ths, dude?
Look, I ran the same lap twice. I ran 5.76, 5.76.
Well, I knew 5.73. That was the lap.
Yeah.
I knew it was too because I entered the hairpin smooth. I'm like, this has to be the lap. So I boosted and I bogged down instantly. I'm like, oh shit, that's not good. So I'm so glad, and I cut as well. That was a little scuffed, but what a run. Good stuff. Yeah. Well, close. It's gonna be you and me battling for the win. It looks like, and It should be a really good race. We'll have to watch the main races and then get into the A main, but I was able to adapt to the karts so fast, which I think was my advantage. So feeling good. Time to go to the race. All right, well, it's that time. It is time for the A main. We are in kart 36. So we didn't pull a fast kart or slow kart. This is just an average kart, I believe. I've got Josh quacked behind me. He's gonna be trying to get by me for the lead here, but we've also got Jay behind him. So two really experienced guys who I would love to just have battle behind me and I could drive away, bring it home, make it easy, but a win tonight for this event would be huge for me. Genuinely, even though there's like half the crowd from the last shootout, only 16 people, it still mean a lot to put my shoes on the top step of the podium. Would you have anything you'd like to say for the video?
John's gonna wake up in the middle of the night and it's gonna be Kart 24 standing over him. And he's gonna wake up. It's gonna be a very scary dream. Probably the bed's gonna be wet. Okay, here you go.
I have no idea what Alex said, but I'm sure it was all nice things. Hopefully it was something entertaining. Well, I'm sure this hasn't been the most entertaining YouTube video, but hopefully this race has some chaos. It still comes down to performing under pressure. I feel like I can do this. I need to prove that someone else can win other than Tyler and Caleb, which that was gonna happen anyway since they're both not here, but I want it to be me. Go ahead and drive ourselves up to the pole. All right, lights should be going out soon. I'm ready for it. This thing feels so good, holy shit. All right, they're battling behind. Please, no caution. Oh, Josh is getting pressured from Jay. That's good. I just gotta caress this thing home. Really lock in. Maybe I should use less brake though. He might be catching up. I can't be looking every lap though. We're hauling ass right now. Oh my God. Oh, that's a caution. Oh my Lord. All right, well, wow, those are some fast lap times. It's quite the train. Halfway through the race. Okay. Dude, I can't make any mistakes though. I see you in the corner of my eye. All right, I don't know what happened in that last caution, but can't think about that right now. I like Josh talking about how his kart's losing speed. I just cannot open the inside. I just cannot do that. Why are cautions so stressful if you're starting in the front? What's up with that? Man, Got the whole gang cheering against me, man. All right, no more fun and games. Let's lock the frick in. Missed that corner a little bit, shit. Come on, 36. Come on, 36. White flag, white flag. Let's bring it home. Come on, baby. Let's bring home the dub. We need this. Go! Fucking go! Let's go. That's the dub, dude. Holy. Let's go.
Well done.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you. This thing felt amazing, by the way. This cart.
So smooth going into the corners.
Yeah. Let's go, dude. Happy 35th birthday. How sweet of them. I didn't know it was my birthday.
That's the P1, and that's the grand prize. My first ever actual winnings of any karting event ever, actually. So it's very monumental in my karting career, not gonna lie. But glad I got this cart. Glad I was able to hold on to it, and what a race. What a race.
Nice time, dude.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, good stuff. My first ever winnings from Overdrive. Could you believe it? I wanted to prove that someone else could win these that's not named Caleb. I won a whole balloon that says I'm 35 years old.
Nice. Happy 35th.
Happy 35th. Well, that was an absolute blast. Shout out Overdrive. It's a good time, and now I've got free entry for the next one, which is very hyped.
Harris, please. Alex Secrets, Overdrive News.
You should actually bring your actual microphone.
Oh shit, why didn't I think of that?
Yeah, I don't, well, you have one. Oh God, okay. Yeah.
Please, Alex Secrets, Overdrive News. What did you think when you're going out there first place?
When I was out there in first place, I felt really good. Glad I didn't get 24 to start us off. That was really nice, and the cart I got handled exactly the way I needed it to, and finally made some money from you guys, so thank you.
Touche. Good job, man.
Thanks, dude.
Glad you won.
It's been a while.